Hello. So, I have a little situation with this car that I bought. I bought it in 2017. I had it for almost 2 years. Next month, November, will be 2 years. Um, I'm having a little situation with the car where I would get a message that would say engine warming, wait to start, as you can see, and the car doesn't want to start up. I had ran across this problem beginning in February of 2019, and it started off minor, but about 3 months later, say May, the problem only progressively has gotten worse. And I took it to the dealership, of course, a dealership who specializes in Chryslers. That's what this car is. They have attempted to fix this issue, and they're I took it to the dealership 3 times for the same problem. They insisted that it was the battery, it was the starter, it was the hoses, and then an electrical concern. The first time I got it taken care of, costed me over $1,000. Again, that was the battery, the starter, and the ignition, and some new hoses. That was the first time. The second time I took it in, the second time because they gave me that same issue about 3-4 weeks say later. And the second time I took it in was for the same problem. Of course, this time the car decided it started up, but it started up in neutral. And then at times it didn't start at all. It just started with, instead of the parking position, it started in a neutral position. So they said there was some type of electrical pins that needed to be replaced. So I went ahead and paid $859 for that situation to get taken care of, which was again related to the original situation of that message, engine warming, wait to start. So about 3 weeks later, I'm driving on the road, and that same message pops up where I get in the car and try to start the car up, and it refuses to start because of the same problem with the engine warming, wait to start. So I took it back to the dealership. Now this is the third time. And they insisted that it was the powertrain control module on this car that needed to be replaced. So I paid $635 to get this powertrain control module replaced. And they insisted again that it was the problem with the car wanting to start up when it wanted to. So about 3 weeks later, about a month later, we thought the issue was fixed. It did do good for a while. But like I said, 3-4 weeks later, the same issue happens again. And so I was wondering if anyone who has this type of car, have they experienced similar situations like I have with this specific issue? Is it a common issue? I'm just looking for solutions on how to fix this before I take it back to the dealership again for the fourth time. Thank you.